At dawn in a transport yard, an idling semi-truck doesn't look like a problem. No hazard lights, no obvious leaks. It looks ready to work. In the logistics industry, that appearance creates a powerful psychological pull. When equipment sits in plain sight, looking capable, it becomes ready in people's minds, regardless of the maintenance log. Take Unit 214. It's hitched to a sealed trailer. A customer needs this exact freight on a tight delivery window. But the driver quietly wrote up a mechanical concern the night before, and the shop has not cleared the truck for travel. This creates an immediate vacuum. The truck needs a maintenance check, but a customer desperately needs their freight. In that gap between a scheduled delivery and a pending repair, operational necessity goes head-to-head with safety rules. Inside the dispatch office, the pressure is entirely measurable. The load board is open. Emails are coming in asking for status updates. The delivery window is narrowing by the minute. An intricate operational plan has already been built around this specific truck. The driver is scheduled, the freight is loaded, and trying to swap in a different tractor now would tear up 2 or 3 other delivery schedules. Yet out in the maintenance bay, the physical reality is starkly different. The truck has an unresolved safety write-up. A mechanic has marked it hold, meaning it is not legally or safely cleared for the road. This friction is a systemic conflict baked directly into the DNA of the transportation business. To understand why this happens, you have to look at how the operations side of a carrier is judged. Dispatchers live and die by a very specific set of metrics: on-time delivery percentages, high customer satisfaction, and keeping expensive assets moving. This flowchart illustrates a delayed truck's cascading effect. A single delay upends the initial appointment, triggering penalties and compromising secondary loads. Dispatchers rationalize: is the truck truly disabled? They hunt for a workaround, asking to move the freight now and repair the tractor later. Operations personnel are executing exactly what their performance metrics tell them to do: protect the schedule and move the freight at all costs. The maintenance and safety departments operate in an entirely different reality. Their metrics have nothing to do with revenue. They are judged on risk mitigation, strict regulatory compliance, and preventing catastrophic equipment failure. To a safety officer or a mechanic, a sealed trailer and a frustrated customer are noise. They are irrelevant distractions from the physical reality that a tractor has a reported defect. This diagram captures the friction point perfectly. Operations KPIs, time, revenue, and customer demands, push hard in one direction. Pushing back is the safety mandate, demanding the truck be held. Short on backup tractors, this opposing force model turns into a pressure cooker, forcing direct confrontation. When these two departments collide without a clear governing mechanism, safety becomes a negotiation. For Unit 214, that negotiation escalates quickly. With dispatch needing the truck and the shop refusing to clear it, the argument moves up the chain to upper management, where the human debate reaches its peak. Management reviews the maintenance note, the unyielding load schedule, and the lack of backup equipment. They side with safety. The uncleared truck stays parked in the bay. That decision carries an immediate, painful cost. The delivery appointment is missed. The customer is angry. The company absorbs a direct financial and reputational hit. Management made the right call, but the fact that an executive meeting was required just to enforce a basic, documented safety rule reveals a severe structural flaw in how the company operates. This side-by-side workflow shows the difference between a safety decision and a safety system. The human decision pathway relies entirely on willpower, leaving room for bypass loops and negotiations. The system pathway relies on process, represented by that hard digital padlock blocking the route. A true safety system places that procedural lock on a flagged truck long before dispatch can even try to build a load around it. By implementing this structural lock, human negotiation is eliminated entirely. Operations never feels the temptation to push on safe equipment because the system makes the truck invisible to the load board until it's fixed. Reliable safety culture results from structural systems that make the argument impossible to have in the first place.